Hi everyone, in this video we will show you how to connect Phantom wallet to Axiom. First, go to the Axiom website, then click on deposit from the top right corner. Now copy the deposit address provided. Next, click on the extensions icon at the top right of your browser and select Phantom. Then click on create a new wallet. Now choose create a seed phrase wallet. Enter a password, then enter it again to confirm. Check the box to agree to the terms and click continue. Now note down your recovery phrase and complete the setup. Then go back and click Send in Phantom. Select Solana as the network, paste the Axiom deposit address, enter the amount and complete the transaction. After that, go to the Axiom site again and click the profile icon in the top right. Click on Account and Security. Now click on Manage Wallets. Then click on Import. You'll be asked to enter your private key. To find your private key, open Phantom and click the profile icon from the top left. Then click the Setting gear icon. Now, select Manage Accounts, then click on Your Account. Here, click on Show Private Key and enter your password. Copy the key and paste it on the Axiom site to complete the connection. Thanks for watching. Like the video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this.